is my YouTube channel, This Happy Glamper. On my YouTube channel, I'm just a girl, just trying to make things pretty for as cheap as I can make things pretty. I don't know what I'm doing 99% of the time. I read a lot of instructions. On this channel, we're going to, yay, there's a new to us camper we bought. It is, I believe, a 2007 Savannah fifth wheel. We're going to be painting the cupboards and making curtains and putting in new flooring in the bathroom and recovering chairs and couches and just doing what we can to make it pretty. I thought I'd share my experience. My name is Janet. So I'm super excited. It's ridiculous, actually. I'm so excited. So I welcome you to come on in and let's get caffeinated. And 2 weeks from tomorrow, we will be starting. I'm going to boot everybody out of the trailer on the first day. Dogs, kids, husbands, you name it, get out so I can start with our cupboards. And super excited. So just a little insight on how you can expect this channel to go. So the beautiful people at Rust-Oleum have sent me 2 kits of the kitchen transformations, and I cannot thank them enough. So I'm going to do the bottom in, it's called Tudor. It's a really, really rich, dark brown, almost black. And the tops I was going to do in an off-white or pure white, but I decided pure white wasn't exactly what I wanted. So took it to Home Depot and had them tint it for me. And I accidentally, let me show you this, I accidentally picked Frost. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, Frost. Frost is blue. My least favorite color in the whole world. So here's how we work at this channel. Sometimes in life, we just have to embrace the suck. So, yep, you're going to say, geez, that sucks. That's going to throw everything off. But we're going to learn how to embrace it. And it kind of worked out in a good way because I had no intentions on using the glaze effect on the cupboards that comes with the kit, but now I can because I have to do something to tone down that blue. Yeah. So this is what we're going to learn here. We're going to learn how to embrace the suck, and you get to watch me make all kinds of mistakes because that's a guarantee that I'm going to make mistakes. And we just got to kind of muddle through them. Anyway, super excited. I'm going to upload another video. Please share the video and subscribe. Click the little bell and that'll let you know when I'm uploading another video. So yeah, welcome to This Happy Glamper. I'm Janet and I'm looking forward to having you join me in my new adventure. All right, thanks guys, bye.